Alright, it's been about 3 or 4 weeks since I fired this, well, maybe a little over a month now since I fired this thing up. Usually hit her with a little splash of starting fluid when she sits this long. It's got a battery disconnect, keep it on a tender. New alternator, new battery cables, new starter, new ignition switch, all new pulleys on the front, new belts, fresh build, probably less than 5K miles on it. Later model reservoir, late 80s, early 90s 1.8, 5-cylinder intake manifold, cut down and modified, turbo setup, cut down and modified. This is all built and everything's still raw, so you can like leave it raw or go through and sandblast everything and get everything all fresh and painted. It's really up to the next owner on how they want to finish it. I love how it is. I use it. I go to car shows. It gets a ton of attention. It's fun as hell to drive. Rust on the rocker along the driver's side. Floors could use some love in a few spots. Body's overall pretty straight. A few dents and dings. But I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a fun ass project. New radiator, custom intercooler, new oil line hose, rated hoses, rack and pinions right there. Those are the bushings that I would replace in that rack and pinion. The ones that hold the rack and pinion in place, just those bushings. CV axles are pretty fresh and good. Custom oil pan. I've had people say they've never seen more than a couple of them in the States. So there's probably less than a dozen of those oil pans floating around. It's super rare. Borderline brand new Toyo Proxies. Interior's pretty much gutted out. Those aren't rust holes, it's just sound deadening that's breaking off. Headliner's perfect. All the interior is in here, carpet.